Are you done? Oh, get you a man that loves you even if you cut him.
No, don't get you a man like that.
Beep, 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 come here, let me shape you. Alright, you stay there, and I'm gonna give a face tour. Yeah, like the big, like surface areas I feel like I got, but then clean and nice. But, oh, so, I think I didn't cut you anywhere, which I'm a little crazy. Look up, smash.
Take a ride on the stash?
Oh my god. You're nasty and you need Jesus. I'm saving myself for marriage.
Bristly mustache.
Are you complimenting yourself?
Goddamn, son.
Do you call yourself son and talk to yourself about your own mustache?
Hey son, you grow that stash yourself.
Oh.
Hey young man. Where'd you get that stash?
Man, I really just want to make this video so I can spend time with you.
You hear that, son? She really loves you. Where'd you get that mustache? I'm a Virgo.
How dare you? We can't all be Aries, okay? The world would be a fucking tornado and nothing would get done.
So much would get done. Just no one would clean up after it.
A lot of things would get done, but nothing would get finished.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Julien.
What, babe?
Don't be nasty. That is the definition of being nasty. Virgo. Virgang.
What?
Ew. Unsubscribe below. Make sure you fucking smash that dislike. I'm a Virgo! Ow. I'm a Virgo!
Walks into bedroom in the morning. Good morning, Jenna. I'm a Virgo! I'm a Virgo.
You are not a Virgo.
If you're riding too fast and you need something to hold on to, honey, just grab these handlebars.
Okay, I'm gonna...
Like this?
You look dangerous.
Oh, they call me Dangerous Lightning. Get on now, get some. I love you.